So in this we are going to talk about the exponents, so basics of exponents. First of all, let's understand what is an exponent. So there's a base and then the power of it is called the exponent, right? The power of it. So it's like if I'm talking about 2 power 3, this is the exponents. So what is 2 power 3? Nothing but 2 is multiplied 3 times. When I multiply 2 3 times, it's called 2 power 3. If I'm asking what is x power n, it is multiplying x for n times. Right? If I'm asking you what is x power 5, that means x is multiplied once, twice, thrice, 4 times and 5 times. Right? So what is 10 power 4? That is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 10 power 4 is, that's simple. Let's say what is 5 power 3? That's 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Right, so this is what the basic thing, right? This is called the base, this is called the power, these are exponents that we are talking about. So now let's talk about some basic rules, right, that are very important for you. These are very important for you to solve some basics in the other concepts. We'll be applying this a lot, so just be careful with this and understand them well. The first rule is this, a power n into a power m, this is called equals to a power n plus 1. So that is, if I am saying 2 power 3 into 2 power 4, right, let's look at this first. What is 2 power 3? That means I am multiplying 2 3 times into 2 power 4 is multiplying 2 4 times. So totally I am multiplying 2 once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. That is 2 power 7. How do I get this? This is 2 power 3 plus 4. That is 2 power 7. Right? What you have to understand, if I am asking you what is 2 power 3 into 3 power 4, this is not 2 power 7 or 3 power 7. Understand, the bases have to be same. Here the bases are not same, so I cannot do this. Here the bases are same. Yes, that's why I am able to do this. See, that's why they're saying a power into a power. Let's say if the bases are not same, you can still do it, but the powers have to be same. Let's say I'm talking about 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. What I can do here is, see, 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 3 power 3 is 3 into 3 into 3. So I'll be like pairing each one like this. 2 into 3 is 6 into 6 into 6. So that will be 6 power 3. That is nothing but 2 into 3 whole power 3. That's what we're doing, right? 3 square into 4 square is nothing but 3 into 4 whole power 2. So when the powers are same and the bases are different, I can just take them to the same power and multiply the bases. This is only for multiplication. This concept does not work for things like this. 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4 is not like 2 power 7, right? And also if I say 3 power 3 plus 4 power 3 is also not 3 plus 4 power 3. Please trust that these are not correct. Only for multiplication is what it works. And for division case, it works in the negative way. So first, let's say I'm talking about a power n by a power m. Same powers, sorry, same bases, powers are different. So if I'm asking you 2 power 5 by 2 power 3, what is this? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 5 times, by 2 into 2 into 2, that's 3 times. So I'll cancel this. So finally I'm left with 2 2's, that is 2 power 2 is the answer. So how can I get this simply? I just have to do this, 2 power 5 minus 3. That's what I do, right? A power n minus m. Similarly, like how we did, the powers are same but bases are not same. If I'm dividing them, I can I can combine the division a by b whole power n. 4 power 3 by 2 power 3 is 4 by 2 whole power 3. That's what it says, right? So that's going to give me 2 power 3, that is 8 is the answer. That is fine. Now another concept is the power rules. It's like b power n whole power m is b power n into m. That is, if I'm saying 2 power 3 whole power 2, what does that mean? So this one I'm saying 2 power 3 whole power 2 is nothing but multiplying 2 power 3 into 2 power 3, right? I'm multiplying 2 power 3 2 times, that's why it's power 2. Then what is 2 power 3? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is totally once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, that is 2 power 6. That's what we are getting here, right? So how can I get this? Simply do this. 2 power 3 whole power 2 can be written as 2 power 3 into 2. Let me take 5 for a different, otherwise you might get confused. 2 power 3 whole power 5 is 2 power 3 into 5. That's what I get. 2 power 15 is the answer. But there's something different you have to be careful, which is what I'm saying. Like let's say what is 2 power 3 power 5. This is different from this. This is not same as, this is why. This is 5 is for entire 2 power 3. The power. This power 5 is only for 3. So that is like 3 power 5, that is raised to 2. 2 power 3 power 5. So this is nothing but 3 power 5 would be whatever it is, right? What will be 3 power 5? So that's 243. No, right? 81 or 243. Yep. So that is 2 power 243. This is different from 2 power 3 power whole power 5, 2 power 3 whole power 5. That case I'll do this. This case it's simply doing what is 3 power 5 243, that is 2 power 243. That is what it's saying. 2 power 3 power 2 is 2 power 3 square, that's 2 power 9. And 2 power 9 is 512. That's what it says. Then another thing you have to understand is the square root or nth root part that I will talk. And let me first talk this one. So what is square root of 7? Can be written as 7 power 1 by 2. Fifth root of 7 is written as 7 power 1 by 5. Right, that's what you should understand. So the roots are written like this. Right, and then if I ask you what is 8 power 6, 8th root of 64, it is written as 6 power 64 whole power 1 by 8. Right, so that's what you do. Right, nth root of b is b power 1 by n. Now this one is basically, I'll expand this, right? What is 8th root of 64? As I said, is 64 power 1 by 8. 64 can be written as what? 4 cube power 1 by 8, or I can write it as 2 cube 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 8, right? Because 64 is 2 power 6. So this can be written as 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 8. This property is applied here. That is 2 power 3 whole power 5 is 2 power 3 into 5. Similarly, 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 8 can be written as 2 power 6 into 1 by 8. Right, so I cancel them. 3 by 4, this is written as 2 power 3 by 4. This is what this one is. Mth root of b power n can be written as b power n whole power 1 by m, and b power n whole power 1 by m can be written as b power n into 1 by m, that is n by m. That's what it says, right? So that's an extension to the basic. If you get this basic and this basic right, you will be able to get this one. Then the negative exponents, right? This happens when I have an denominator. Like what is 1 by 2 power 3? It can be written as 2 power minus 3. What is 1 by 8 power 6? It can be written as 8 power minus 6. Right? That's what it says. So b power minus n is nothing but 1 by b power n. So 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 2 power 3, or 1 by 2 power 3 can be written as 2 power minus 3, whatever it is. Then the zero rules, that anything raised to 0 is 1, right? 5 power 0, 80 power 0, like let's say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 whole power 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. Anything 0 raised to anything is 0, right? 0 power 1, 1, 1, 1 is 0, 0 power 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is also 0. It's because anything, right, 0 raised to anything is anyways 0, right? And then this is also similar, right? Anything raised to 1 is the same number because I'm multiplying to 1, so that's the same number. 1 power anything is 1. These are all very basics. This one is something slightly important, that is minus 1 whole power n. So minus, let's say when I'm talking about minus 3 whole power 3, that's going to give me minus 27. Minus 3 whole power 4 is going to give me plus 81. So the sign is going to be negative or positive depending on whether the power is odd or even. If the power is even, so if the sign is minus or plus, it's always going to be, if it's even, it's always going to be plus. If it's going to be odd, then it will retain the sign. What am I saying is this: plus 3 whole power 3 is plus 27. Minus 3 whole power 3 is minus 27. So the sign is retained because the power is odd. If the power is even, right, 3 power 4 is 81. Minus 3 whole power 4 is also plus 81. So irrespective of what the sign is internally, it will be plus plus. That's the concept that you need to. Right, so let's solve some questions. As usual, I'll recommend you to pass them. These are very simple questions. You can just look back if you are confused with the rules again to get used to them and solve these questions. Right, so I hope you've passed them and tried. So let's look at this. Is 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 3 into 3 power 1. This is this first property. Though we have only talked for 2, this works for all 3 also. Same basis. So this can be written as 3 power 4 plus minus 3 plus 1. This is 3 power 4 minus 3 is plus 1, plus 1 plus 1 is plus 2, that is 3 power 2 equals to 3 power a. When the bases are same, the powers must be same. When I'm equating two things, right? 3 power 2 is equals to 3 power a. It happens only if a is equals to 2. So that means a is 2. That's the answer for the first one. 2 power 7 into 2 power minus 4 divided by 2 power 2. So that is like this, right? 2 power 7 into 2 power minus 4 divided by 2 power 2. So first let's focus on this. You can do a 2 power minus 4 divided by 2. That's the BODMAS rule concept. Let's do that also. That is also fine. So let me do 2 power minus 4 divided by 2 power 2. That is like 2 power 2 As I said, this one is the second concept, right? This one. Same base but powers are different. N minus m is what you need to do when I'm dividing them. So same base, so it will be 2 power minus 4 minus 2. That is 2 power minus 6 is the value for this. So 2 power 7 into 2 power minus 6 is same bases. I'm multiplying them. It will be 2 power 7 plus minus 6. That will give me 2 power 1. Right, even if I do this first, 2 power 7 by 2 power 2 is 2 power 5 into 2 power minus 4. This will also give me 2 power 1. It's all the same. There's nothing different. Then 3 power 6 whole power 1 by 2 into 3 power 1. First deal with this. 3 power 6 whole power 1 by 2 is this, right? Is this concept. B power n whole power m is b power n into m. So this is 3 power 6 into 1 by 2. That is going to be 3 power 3. So now this is equals to 3 power 3 into 3 power 1. Bases are same. The powers must be added. That will be 3 power 3 plus 1 is 3 power 4. That's the answer. 9 into 3 power 6 divided by 3 into 3 whole square. So that will be like what? 9 into 3 whole power 6 is divided by 3 into 3 whole square, right? So let's do this. What is 9? 9 is 3 square into 3 whole power 6 divided by 3 into 3 is 3 square whole power 2. So 3 power 2 into 3 power 3 same bases. It's like 3 power 2 into 3 power 1. So that is going to be 3 power 2 plus 1 whole power 6 divided by 3 power 2 whole power 2 is 3 power 2 into 2, right? B power n whole power m. That's, you have to multiply these two, right? So 3 power 2 into 2 is 3 power 4. This is also like 3 power 3 whole power 6. Again the same concept. I need to multiply these two. That is going to be 3 power 3 into 6 is 18 by 3 power 4. B power a by b power n by b power m. Same bases are divided, different powers. So I just need to do 3 power 18 minus 4. That is going to be 3 power 14. So a is 14. 5 power 7 divided by 125 whole power minus 4. So simple. 125 is nothing but 5 power 4. You need to understand that. Right? So, sorry, 5 power 3. My bad. 5 square is 25. 25 then 125. That's what 125 is. So 5 power 3 whole power minus 4 can be written as 5 power 3 into minus 4. That is 5 power minus 12. So 5 power 7 divided by 5 power minus 12 is 5 power 7 minus of minus 12. So minus of minus will make it plus, right? So it will be 5 power 19. So the answer will be 19 for this. So these are all very simple questions, but they are very basic, that will test you understanding these concepts, right? So try them. You also have the challenge quiz. So just make sure you understand this well.